it's Gina with your note of the week. This week's note is about paid in, paid out versus cash loan, cash drop, because they are really two separate entities. Let me start with paid in and paid out. A paid out may be that you need some petty cash to go buy supplies. So you want to take some money out of the till and go out and buy the office supplies. And it's a fairly simple process. Under more, station functions, paid out. So the paid out is to me, and I'm just going to buy some office supplies. And I think $50 in cash will cover what I need. So I'm just going to click OK. Now notice at the end of the transaction, I have the opportunity to print media for my media envelope. So now I go to the office supply store, I buy some office supplies, and I spend $40. I have $10 left over, and I want to place it back in the till. So I'm going to do a paid in. So under more, station functions, paid in. It's from me. It's change from the office supplies. And I'm going to pay back cash of $10. And again, at the end of the transaction, I have the opportunity to print media for my daily media envelope. A cash loan in cash drop is to take money out of the till to place into the safe, or take money out of the safe to place into the till. So here's an example of why I would use a cash drop. I've been ringing a lot of sales today. I've been doing a lot of cash transactions. There's a lot of cash in my till, and that might pose a security risk. So I'm going to drop some money into the safe. So more, station functions, cash drop, and I'm going to drop $200 into the safe. Now watch at the end of the transaction. Notice how I just get a message that the cash drop is saved. In other words, there is no media that prints with a cash drop or even a cash loan. Now for the cash loan side of this, I just opened. My very first transaction of the day was a $200 return, and it literally wiped out all the money in my till. So I need to take some money out of the safe and loan it to the till. So I'm going to come here to cash loan. I get the same type of window. I'm going to loan the till $200, click OK, and again at the end of the transaction, there isn't an opportunity to print any media. Now that being said, when it comes to your drawer reading or your drawer history, any paid in, paid outs, or cash loan and cash drops will be recorded on those reports. I'm going to go to drawers. I'll do a drawer reading. And that just takes a moment to load. And I'll just filter for the drawer session. So here's the drawer session that I'm using. And I'll just click on preview. And so you can see here under the non-merchandise column, I can see paid in, paid out, cash drops, and cash loans. So that's the difference between paid in, paid out, cash drop and cash loan. Paid in, paid out, used for miscellaneous expenses. Cash loan, cash drop has to do with money going in and out of your safe or to the bank. Hope this was helpful. Thanks for joining me for this session of Note of the Week. Hope to see you again soon. We would love to hear from you. If you would like to submit a question for Note of the Week, email training@cksystem.com, and on the subject line, type Note of the Week. If you would like to schedule training time or request a free training catalog, call me at 888-476-7911, extension 3. Talk to you next week. Bye.